Calling all leaders. Do you long to be a catalyst for change in your organization and community? Ignite transformation and make a meaningful impact on the world. This is your moment. At the 2023 Global Leadership Summit, you'll experience 2 transformative days full of inspiration, insights, and resources, all designed to help you push your boundaries and maximize your influence. At the 2023 Summit, you'll hear from world-class leaders like Secretary Condoleezza Rice, Craig Groeschel, Patrick Lencioni, Liz Bohannon, and so many more. No matter your place or your position, the summit will empower you to lead wisely, to lead boldly, to lead where you are.